Alrighty, hosses, welcome back, and in this video, definitely the coolest video yet, I'm going to show you how to set this up on an actual server. So this server that I'm SSH into right now, I just bought on DigitalOcean. It was $5 a month, and all it has is Ubuntu 14.04, and I think it came with LAMP, but you don't even need that. All you just need is regular old Ubuntu, and I chose Ubuntu 14.04 because it comes with Python 3, and that's what I coded this in. And it really doesn't even matter that much where you stick your file, but what I'm going to do is, here, I'll show you guys what we're doing. All right, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this server.py right there, and we're going to plop it on our server, and then we're just going to run it, and then we're just going to be, that's it. We're just going to listen for clients to connect. So let me move into somewhere I'm not going to mess anything up. And I'm getting kind of confused because I keep having to switch between Unix commands and then Windows commands, and they're all different. I don't know why they just don't standardize them, but whatever. All right, so right now in my main website, I have two files, and these are just the files that it came with, and that's just the default homepage. And there's an HTML and PHP version. So what I want to do now is I want to create this server.py file. So I'm going to copy all this, and you can use whatever editor you want. Oh, I'm as sudo right now. So I just write nano server.py. And this is, if you don't know, just a text editor that you can use from the command line. So if you hit enter, it's going to open up this. And forgot it's different for every freaking thing how you paste in. All right, so once you do that, just paste in all of your source code, and there are alternative ways that you can do this as well, but since we're only having one file, we can just paste it in. And once it's pasted in, just hold Control X, Y, and enter. So now what that did is it basically saved all that data to server.py. And now we can verify that by writing cat server.py, and this prints out all the data inside server.py. So we can validate that it did indeed work. So now, as you can see, we have that file on our server. Now to actually run this, you actually write Python 3. If you just write Python, it's going to be 2.7, and then server.py. Now before I do this, if you guys don't even know the IP address of your server, then just type ifconfig, and then your IP address is going to be right here. And you're going to need this for the client. So let me just copy this now. And make sure you have that copied, or you just write it down if you want. And now what you can do is this. So Python 3 server.py, hit enter. So now the script is on our server, and it is running, it is listening, and we don't even need this anymore. And let me make sure I got the right IP address. All right, so now check this out. Type in the IP address right here without the protocol. And now this is the program. And again, that's the only thing you have to change. That's going to be running on your client. So right now, the client's going to be running. Again, they're probably not going to have PyCharm. They're just going to do this from wherever. And check out what happens in here. Connection has been established. Now I want to go show you guys something real cool. All right. So again, this is SSH right into my server. So now if I just write dir, and even though I'm on my server, I could be anywhere in the world. You see what happened right there? It took it and it ran it right in here. Now I can basically control this computer anywhere. I can write echo hey, and you see it runs echo hey. I can even do something like echo sucker bacon.txt, and watch what happens. This actually creates a new file called bacon.txt on their computer right from there. And again, remember, since we fixed change directories, we can change directory, and then, I don't know, maybe we want to look at the contents of there. but check it out. So we basically have full access to the target's machine using a reverse shell. Pretty stinking awesome. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this and put it on GitHub. And if you guys want to improve it or help me work on it on any way, any way possible, maybe you want to make it multi-threaded, who knows, then just send me a commit and then I'll review it. And, hopefully we'll get a good community reverse shell working. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos. Hopefully you guys learned something. Stay protected from hackers. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.